This natural trick is fading my age spots fast. What if you could erase age spots and look younger using natural oils? Today we are sharing 4 oils used by beauticians to help you roll back the clock on your skin. I am going to show you what they do and how they work, so you do not have to trial and error on your own. 1. Rosehip oil. This one is a legend in the skincare world, and for good reason. Rosehip oil comes from the seeds of wild rose bushes, loaded with vitamin A, vitamin C, and omega fatty acids. These nutrients help your skin renew itself faster. Imagine your old dull cells replaced with fresh, healthy ones. Rosehip oil also hydrates deeply, which makes your skin feel smoother and softer right away. $2. Frankincense oil. Commonly used in meditation, frankincense oil can help tone the skin and reduce the appearance of age spots when used consistently. It encourages new skin cells to form, slowly fades out the old pigmented ones. But heads up, this is an essential oil, which means you need to dilute it with a carrier oil like rosehip or jojoba. A couple drops per ounce is enough to get the benefits without irritation. If you are finding value so far, please subscribe for more natural tips to supercharge your health. 3. Argan oil. This one is lightweight, fast absorbing, and full of vitamin E. It is not the main oil for fading spots, but it supports the process by nourishing and strengthening the skin barrier. A healthy barrier helps prevent future spots and locks in moisture. That means fewer new signs of aging showing up over time. Finally, there is the classic vitamin E oil. If your skin has been through a lot, this is the repair crew you want. Vitamin E helps block damage from free radicals, those pesky molecules that age your skin fast. It is also incredibly moisturizing, which keeps your skin plump and healthy looking. Use it sparingly though, too much can be greasy and might clog pores. Try blending it with rosehip oil for the best of both worlds. Now, if you are wondering how to actually use all these oils together, I have got you covered. Here is a simple blend you can make at home. Take 2 tablespoons of rosehip oil, 1 tablespoon of argan oil, and 1 tablespoon of vitamin E oil. Add 2 drops of frankincense oil if you want that extra skin renewal boost. Mix it all in a dark glass bottle, shake it up, and you are good to go. Apply a few drops to clean skin every night, focusing on areas with age spots. Massage it in gently and let your skin absorb the goodness while you sleep. Consistency is the key here, not overnight miracles. You are building long-term skin health, not chasing quick fixes. Now let us talk lifestyle for a second. Because great skin is not just about what you put on it, but also what you put in your body. Eating antioxidant-rich foods like berries, greens, and healthy fats supports your skin from the inside. Hydration matters too, so drink that water. Some people also swear by intermittent fasting for better skin renewal and glow. Give your body time to heal, and it shows up in your skin. If you are finding value so far, please subscribe for more natural tips to supercharge your health. Now I want to hear from you. Have you ever used any of these oils in your skincare routine? What worked and what did not? Drop your answers in the comments and let us help each other glow.